Alright guys, good morning. So, dito tayo nag-try mag-vacation. We actually here at Buffalo, New York. But right now we are here at Fredonia, New York. So, we try to stay here because it's closer to Niagara Falls. Clarion Hotel. So, small one but at least doable. You can stay here. But look at that houses. Houses are cute. Look at that. They're like houses na old. Okay, so anyway, so try to get up early today so we can get to the Niagara Falls early. Okay, so mayroon pa tayong mga other place to go, so maybe in the next video I'll show that to you. Okay,
1885 by a man named Frederick Law Olmsted. Basically, in 1869 he came here and it was super industrialized. There were factories literally lining the river, and so the area was very polluted, it was very dirty, and they were trying to profit as much as possible off of knowing that people are willing to literally pay whatever to see the falls. So they had this itty bitty hole. Somehow they closed off the like almost everywhere that you could view, and they had this little hole that they would charge people to look through, and it started off as
right now. We are going to follow Gino to Main the Best. Let's follow Gino and walk right down the center stairs, guys.
When you walk down the stairs, guys, go straight to the center stairs and Diane just said.
we have more fancy.
They were created for
Yeah,
you with this.
we have everybody. It looks like we have. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so the first person to go over Horseshoe Falls in a daredevil attempt was a 63-year-old woman named Annie Edson Taylor in 1901. So before women could even vote, she was going over waterfalls in barrels. Her husband died in the Civil War, and she was a retired school teacher, so she was super broke. Carlo,
It's Canada.
Okay.
Alright, riding into the boat. Right here, wearing my way to miss jacket or poncho. So sa taas? Taas tayo? Going up to the top because that's where we can see everything big. Oh, wala nang upuan. Oh, look at that. This is right there. So we have to hold something, huh? Picture muna tayo bago maglakad. Ganda!
We appreciate and enjoy the beauty of this natural wonder just as much as our thousands of yearly visitors. We know we have the responsibility to help protect it. That's why we turned it to North America's first living
Oh, rolling. Look at that rolling.
Why so windy?
Hold dyan, look. Hold ka dyan.
Mahulog. Ayaw niya mag-hold.
Oh my God. So windy. Rumba yan. So windy. I That's the big one. Movie coming to me.
I can't see what's coming.
It's gonna turn around. This is the tip of the horse show. Look at that. Wow, we are here on the bottom. Here's the border of USA to Canada. Try to go all the way there near to that really strong power current. Okay? To be careful. Goodness, we're really close, closer. You hear that roar? Oh my God! We're having fun. Look at that. Really strong current. Wow. Very strong. Yeah, that's right. other side here. Haba, no? Tingnan mo yan.